push it to 8.
Test arm.
If I could, I would.
Yeah.
I only have work at 8.
Are you running an RPM limit or anything? Or a throttle limit? Yeah, this is still too fast for me, and I've got it on 28,000. Ray is here.
Ready? Ready? Alex?
Ready.
Yeah. That's luck. I didn't get to take off. I didn't make it to take off. My drone just went right. Oh, I made a piece of fish. I don't know what happened. But Ray, are you fine?